Hi everyone, in the previous video we have covered the basics of Firestore and also initiated our Firestore database. And today in this video we will add the data from our code base. I have also made some changes in our application. I have added this navigation bar, and when you click on this post you will get this. We will add these data in our database. So let's move to our code. In the authentications video, we have imported everything from the Firebase/auth, and in the Firestore, we will import everything from Firebase/Firestore. Let's import something from Firebase/Firestore. Now we will create an instance of our database. We will call a method get Firestore, and we will store the instance in a variable const db. Now we will import this db variable. Let's move to our post.js. I have already created the fields, and this event details contains the data of every field like name, place, address and time. And when we click on the submit button, this handle submit method will invoke. Now let's import our db from Firebase file. Import db from Firebase. We will also import some things from the Firestore. So in the Firebase console, first we have created our collection. In the same way, we have to create our collection. So I will name the collection and events. We will write the code in the handle submit method. Let's create our first collection. So we have to call a method called as collection, and this collection will take two parameters. One is the database instance and the second is the path of the collection, or you can say the name of the collection. So we will pass the database instance db slash. I will name the collection as events. Now this collection method returns us a reference. We will store in a variable const call ref. Now after creating the collection, we have to create the document. So let's create our first document. We have to call the add_doc method, and this method takes two parameters. One is collection reference and second is data. So we will pass the collection reference call ref slash and pass our data in the form of object. So our first value I want to store is name. Name will be event details dot name. Second value will be the address, event details dot address. Third will be the place, event details dot place, and last is time, event details dot time. This method returns us a promise. So if the data has been saved successfully, the then method will be called and we will get the value in the result console.log result. And if there is any error, then we will handle it. I have mistyped it, and this is an error object that has two values, error code and error message. Error.message. Now let's check this code in our UI. Let's add some values. So the event name is Aram, place will be Mumbai, and address will be Bandra. That I have taken the time field as a string. You can take this field according to your need. 7:30 p.m. Now let's open the console also. Let's click on the submit button. We got an error that is permission denied. So this error comes because of security rules. Let's go to our Firebase console, move to the rules section. These are the security rules. I will make a separate video on security rules. For now, you have to make this false as true and publish it. Now our new rules has been published. Let's go to our React app and click on the submit button. Now check the console. So our events collection has been created and one document has been added. So this returns a sub object and these has some value. We don't need these values right now. If you want, you can check this object. I haven't cleared the input fields after click on submit button. So let's change the event name and I will put the event name as Jazz and click on submit. So a new document has been created. Let's check the new one. So we have all the values. So you can create any number of collections and any number of documents. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will read the data in the home section. Till then, you can try adding your data in your database and we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching this video.